everyone, welcome to Draw with Bee. I am very excited today to be drawing a unicorn. I have been requested to draw a unicorn from many people, and this one is for my little friend Mia. So let's get started. Get your art supplies ready. I've got my erasable pen. Let's begin. We're going to start with her face. So we're going to bring it down for the nose, around, and then up. Then what we're going to do is draw her neck. So from this point here, do a slight curve and then down. Then what we're going to do is her front leg. So from this point here, we're going to go like this and down. Then from here, we're going to go like this and then slightly bend it this way. Join them up, and that's going to be a hoof. Now remember, we can fix things up at the end. Let's get started on her belly. So we're going to bring it down and up, and then do her other leg starting there. Then what we're going to do is I'm going to show you where her mane's going to go. But before we start that, I'm going to do a line here, because then it gives you proportion for the rest of her body. Then what we're going to do is bring it around just like this. And we're going to leave that just there for now. Next, what we can do is her tail. So a big swooshy tail like this, and then meow, just up like that. Then what we're going to do is finish off this leg here. So we're going to bring it down, and then what we're going to do is bend her leg. So this has to come down this way, just like that. This one, just like that. Then we can draw a hoof. Bring the line across, down, around, up. Then we need to do her other leg here, because otherwise she can't really stand up very well, can she? So, line there, join that bit up, line up there, and she's sort of going to be bending her leg a little bit. So we're going to bring it in, and then curl, out, in, and then her hoof's just going to be up on just a little bit of an angle. And bring it down. Then the next one is her other leg at the back here. Can't forget about that. So we're going to make sure that that is in line with the others. So we like to line these up. So if you bring your pen all the way across here, that's where the hoof needs to be. So there we go. Done. Next, what we're going to do is her wonderful mane. So let's get started. From here, we're going to do a line all the way down. Then what we're going to do is another one. And you can join it up like that if you like. And then we can just add them all the way down as we go. You can make her mane look however you like. You can make it long, curly, straight, however you like. Then next what we're going to do is her little fringe. So I'm going to do one piece there. I'm going to do another piece flicking up just like that. Horn time. Do a little curve there. Bring it up, down, and then we can't forget her ears. One. And then you can either do another little ear just on this side here. Now, last thing to do is her little nose. So you can do a nostril, and you can even do a smiley face too. I think I want to do a smiley face unicorn today. Now is the time for some beautiful eyes. So I'm going to use this point to start with. Up. And I'm going to flick it up for some beautiful eyelashes. Then this part I'm going to bring down and then up like that. Then what I'm going to do is take that line and just make it a bit thicker. And then do another one next to it like that. Next, line here, line here. I want to do a beautiful reflection line there. And I think she looks just gorgeous. Stay tuned, I'm going to fast the next bit and we are going to color in. We're going to do amazing colors today. So I will fast forward and see you soon. Now that we've finished coloring the unicorn, everything is looking beautiful. Last minute touches are here, so add some magic if you wish. I've got my beautiful glitter pen. I'm choosing silver today. I love these. You can get them from Kmart. I'm going to add some amazing glitter around this heart that I have drawn here. I'm going to go over the pink marker that I did before because I just love glitter so much. And then what I'm also going to do is add some beautiful glitter here for her horn, because every unicorn needs a glitter horn, I think. Then what I'm also going to do is just do a little bit of glitter around her hooves. Amazing. Bring it up, I think, this side. And then I think that is all we need to do today. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I love drawing magical drawings, and I hope to see you all soon.